statement is, for the following area, in Oregon, Greater Portland metro area, and in Washington, Greater Vancouver area, wind advisory in effect from 9 a.m. Friday to 4 p.m. Saturday for the eastern Portland and Vancouver metro, mainly along and east of I-205. What? East winds 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected, mainly along and east of I-205. The strongest wind gusts will occur near Troutdale, Wood Village, Fairview, Washougal, and Camas. Where? In Oregon, Greater Portland metro area along and east of I-205. In Washington, Greater Vancouver area along and east of I-205. When? From 9 a.m. Friday to 4 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Hourly weather observations at 11 p.m.